Hello everyone, this is MD Nurul Afsar. Welcome back to Tech Enthusiast channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you upgrade your FortiOS. So in my today's video I'm going to show the upgradation process from my current FortiOS 6.401 to 6.41. okay, so how to do that or what to do for getting automatic updates from Fortinet or FortiGuard. Okay, at first you must have a valid subscription of FortiGuard license services from Fortinet. So if you have a valid subscription of FortiGuard, then you can check your firewall is reachable to FortiGuard service or not. So how to check that? To check that, you have to go settings, then FortiGuard services. So as you can see in FortiOS, in right hand sidebar, you can see I'm reachable to FortiGuard.com, FortiGuard query, and lots of other services like FortiSandbox, etc. You can also see I'm reachable to FortiGuard web filtering, anti-spam, and I'm also selected update server location to lowest latency location. Okay, so you must have the reachability to FortiGuard.com and filtering and other services reachability with Fortinet. After that, if all of that are seems okay, then you might automatically receive FortiOS upgrade from Fortinet. Okay, so before going to any upgradation, you must read carefully the release note. Okay, this is mandatory. Without analyzing your current FortiGuard features and its uses and what is going to be changed after upgrading to new one, you must be aware of that. Without it, you should not upgrade your FortiOS or FortiOS firmware. This could be very hassle to you if you do that. Okay, if you don't know what you are going to do, so you should not do that. So to do that, at first you have to read carefully all of the release notes. So now I'm going to do the upgradation because I already completed the analyzation. So I'm going to do that. So at first click on it. So first of all, it's taking a backup of your current configuration. Okay, it is also mandatory. Here we go. Now you can see my FortiGate firewall user interfaces. I'm logging in. As I already said, what is going to be the major changes after upgrading to latest version? You also see all of the functionality is tick mark. That means the firmware already upgraded. So I'm select later. So I'm going to skip this. Okay, after upgrading, the major changes will be in SD-WAN zone. Okay, as you can see, SD-WAN zone is separated in according to the previous configuration, so I have to modify SD-WAN zone, apply each and every apply SD-WAN zone to each and every firewall policies, SD-WAN rules, etc. So I have to modify these functionalities at first, otherwise our my users is going to face any kinds of difficulties. Okay, so I'm going to sort out this issue. Okay, so now you can see what is my firmware version, current firmware version. As you can see, running 40OS version 6.4.1. It also shows running latest patch of 40OS version 6.4. so that's it. I'm going to modify all of my current settings in according to the in according to my requirements. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification button to see my upcoming videos. Okay, goodbye and see you again.